Hi, this is John Devon for FindingHelpers.com. I'm just really excited to be able to show you a resource for free learning videos. And we're going to go to the FindingHelpers.com website. And once you're on the FindingHelpers.com website, you click under Find Help or Helpers and scroll down to where it says Free Learning and Training Resources. So you click there and you're going to see that we want to use these learning resources and the places to learn and train to be the best we can be today. So you'll be able to search for specific sources. And I also have another web page that once you get in here that is more provided specific by me, that you can write reviews of different services that you find. You can learn more about what we do. We're going to have many more sections here, but let's go back to the main page where we started. And once you do, you can read about Lynda. And I just tell you what, I love that. That is one of the programs that is offered free through the public library. And not every public library, but you'll have to check with your public library to see if it's free. And once you get logged in, then you can access thousands of video tutorials. I'm basically reading right here, but Lynda, this is from the St. Louis County Library homepage, and it's just saying that Lynda provides access to thousands of video tutorials to help you learn more about software, technology, business, management, and customer service, and many other essential job skills. Now, that's exactly what people need at this time with the coronavirus and people getting laid off. Some estimates are there's 10 million people laid off right now, and it may be up to 30 million, which is a third of the population here in the United States. And but no matter where you're at, no matter what's going on, it's always a good idea to improve your skill set, to be better at what you do at your current job, or maybe you're going to be looking for a new job, or maybe even a different job within the same company. It's a good idea to expand your skill sets for what you already know and for things that you don't know, and refresh a lot of the topics. So for perhaps if you're a person who's in business and you're doing spreadsheets, you could upgrade some of your knowledge there, or brush up on it, however you want to say it. If you're doing customer service, you can learn how to do better customer service, so you do a better job and hopefully the company makes more money, and then you should make more money. And that's what we're here for. So you can go ahead, if you're in the St. Louis area, that's many of my viewers are, you can click here to go to the public library, and then you just go ahead and either create a new profile, or if you have your library card, you type it in here, type in your password, and voila, you got access to thousands of videos that are going to help you be a better employee. Oh, and it may also help you be a better employee, which is really important too. All right, hey, John Devon for FindingHelpers.com. I hope you stop by and click on the tab under Finding Help or Helpers for free learning and training resources, and I'll keep adding more and more resources as I find them. And if you have a resource that you think is important, please go ahead and visit FindingHelpers.com, send me the link, we'll review it, and if it's great content as you're thinking it is, we'll add it. All right, John Devon, FindingHelpers.com. Thanks. Well, I tell you what, if you're still here, I'm going to go ahead and log in and give you a demo of the classes. And so what I'm going to do is type in my library number, go ahead and put on my glasses, and boom, boom. And I'm not worried about you seeing my card. I do want to hide my password though. And so now we log in. All right, so I thought I had this done, but let's go ahead and type this information in again. There it is, and we'll create a password, and we'll go ahead and say okay, so here we go. And this is something that you would have to do if you were logging in. And again, what you'll want to do is go ahead and check with your public library to, okay, let's save that password. Hey, great. So here we are. And wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started here by getting our email in here. And we'll go ahead and save that now. All right, so here are all of the videos, and this is just phenomenal that you have the ability to choose a specific industry or specific skill set. For example, how to become an IT security specialist. That's huge. Tons of people, tons of companies need people who can help with IT security, setting up firewalls and passwords and all, making sure they're safe from viruses. So you can click on Become an IT Specialist and you'll have 10 videos there. You could learn to be a full stack web developer. You could become a content strategist for social media, that kind of thing. You can become a manager. So a lot of this stuff, as we've talked, is for the technical side of things for computer software, but it's also for business where you're going to learn how to be a better manager, that kind of thing. So there's 8 courses there. And I tell you what, I just want to go ahead and click on the Become an IT Specialist, and you'll read about all of the principles of IT and security and cybersecurity. You'll have the ability to develop practical skills for securing networks, and you'll be able to investigate cybercrimes and know the basics of computer forensics, which is just wonderful. So if I were going to start learning, I could click here to watch the first video, and here it goes. Now, I'm not going to watch this video because the bottom line to this is I just want to show you how to access the information. Then you can go ahead and access it on your own. And I tell you what, to be able to sit here and learn all of these different topics, the core concepts, the foundations, to be able to operating system security, network security, this is the kind of thing that companies need to hire people for. And even if you are the employer, you may need to have these skills. I mean, it's great to outsource things, it's great to have employees too, but sometimes you need to be able to know this to make sure that your network is secure, to make sure that your data is secure. So, wow, this is excellent stuff. Well, that's it for right now. I just wanted to show you how to get logged in. I created a username and password, and now you know how to do it. You know how to go in and access these particular videos. And this is John Davin for FindingHelpers.com. And again, you can find this resource and many other resources by going to Finding Helpers and then click under Find Help or Helpers and click on Free Learning and Training Resources. Thanks. See you then.